In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wall in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to click on Build, so this house icon, and inside the Create Room, you have this Draw Walls option, okay? So, of course, you can create a room and that's going to give you walls by default, and you have like a bunch of different templates or presets, but you can just draw walls by clicking over here, and then you can basically, of course, draw them like it says over here. So, for example, let's say you want to add like a wall over here, a very small one. That's, of course, completely possible. As you can see, I've just added one like that, press the escape key, and now I have the wall. Now, of course, I could go again, so click first, and then do the second click, third click, fourth click, fifth, whatever, and then you can just connect it to another part of the wall, just like this, and there we go. When you press the escape key, you're gonna have yourself some walls, okay? So if I go to 3D view over here, you can see that this room, which is small by itself, now has walls as well, and yeah, that's essentially how you do it, okay? Now, if you make mistakes, you can always click on a wall, and you can like change it, adjust it like that, which is quite convenient. You can, of course, move it up, down, etc., and that way you can pretty much customize your home or your build however you want it to be. So that's the best way to make walls. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.